Good morning, friends, and happy Monday. For our fine motor morning bin activity today, we're going to Q-tip paint an apple. Now, the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. So for your activity today, you're going to need a little bit of paint and a Q-tip. If you don't have paint, you can use a marker, a colored pencil, or a crayon to color in your dots. So I'm going to get a little bit of red, and remember, I'm going to do just a dot in each box. So I'm using my Q-tip and I'm dotting in each box. I don't want to pull it because remember, friends, this is working on my fine motor. So I'm doing small dots. See how I'm putting one dot in each. And I have an awesome, beautiful Q-tip painted apple. Then I'm going to switch and I'm going to do a little bit of green on the leaf. Now I know that the leaf doesn't have the dots, but I'm just going to do small dots on the leaf too. All right, my friends, I hope you have fun making your Q-tip apple, and I will see you in a little bit.